All right, Riley, camera person, thank you. And I got the diff out. That thing took forever, but it's
And
out.
he whacked himself in the face.
I did, look. See where it's swelling? Can you see it swelling?
A little bit.
My eye's
It's a
a
little
little
bit
red.
purple.
Yeah, it hurt. You saw me fall on the floor.
Yeah, he was laying on the ground for like 5 minutes.
Yeah, and you're like, why is Grandpa Bobby on the ground? And I'm like, dang.
Yeah.
That was a bad story.
Yeah, it really was. Okay.
I'm just wondering when or if this was ever serviced. There isn't even a pattern on these gears. They're just worn completely across the face on both sides. Ugh. Ugh. But the good news is it's just a standard 3-to-1 ratio open diff. Nothing special, not even a limited slip. So if we gotta get one, might as well put something nice in it to make the car a little more fun.
Alright, so inside the differential housing, you can see where the oil level's been. You can tell it's sat for a very long time. It's quite sludgy. Oh, there is chunks. That's not oil anymore. You can see, I'm trying to get the damn thing to focus. Look at that coloration. There's metal in that. That's where all the shininess, oh my. Yeah. That's why the gears are shiny. There is metal sediment in the diff housing. Ugh.